Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive luxury with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. As always, Mercedes sets the benchmark, and this latest S-Class doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. Get ready to explore a vehicle that blends sophistication, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched comfort in a way only Mercedes-Benz can deliver. From the outside, the 2026 S-Class keeps its iconic silhouette but adds subtle design evolutions that scream elegance. The front grille is more refined, flanked by sleeker digital LED headlamps that adjust intelligently to driving conditions. The lines are smooth, flowing, and aerodynamic, making the car appear as if it's gliding even when it's parked. New alloy designs and an extended color palette offer more customization, ensuring that every S-Class makes a statement. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a variety of powertrains, from the classic inline-six to the robust V8, with all versions incorporating 48-volt mild hybrid technology for added efficiency and performance. The hybrid assist adds extra torque during acceleration and smooths out stop-start transitions. For those seeking peak performance with a green conscience, there's also an updated plug-in hybrid version boasting a longer electric-only range thanks to a larger battery pack. Inside is where the S-Class truly shines. Mercedes has taken luxury to a new level, with premium materials, seamless technology, and comfort that feels more like a private jet than a car. The MBUX infotainment system is now smarter and more intuitive, featuring an upgraded AI assistant that understands natural voice commands better than ever. A massive OLED central display and the redesigned digital driver cluster give the interior a futuristic yet inviting feel. The seats, they're like armchairs on wheels, offering heating, cooling, massage functions, and even scent dispersion for that spa-on-the-go experience. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class comfort with available reclining seats, fold-out tables, and personalized entertainment screens. It's clear Mercedes wants every seat to feel like the best seat in the house. Safety and autonomy are also at the forefront. The 2026 S-Class includes the latest iteration of Mercedes Drive Pilot, which brings Level 3 autonomous driving to more markets. This means in certain conditions, the car can take over full driving duties, letting you relax and enjoy the ride. From advanced driver assist features to real-time hazard detection, the S-Class continues to lead in automotive safety innovation. All of this comes wrapped in Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. Every stitch, every panel, every piece of tech meticulously designed to create a seamless experience. The 2026 S-Class isn't just a car, it's a declaration of luxury, a masterclass in engineering, and a glimpse at the future of driving. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more legendary rides. See you in the next one.